So I am now in row 6 before the middle out of the 3 chains. So after the 2 trebles we do a chain, and into the bow we again do 2 trebles. Three chains for the middle and 2 trebles again. A chain again, and then the following 2 trebles again with 2 trebles, and you just keep doing this with all of the cross trebles that you see, just like we did before the midsection. We are repeating 5 rows, so this is row 6, and I'll show you rows 7 and 8, and then from there on you can just keep repeating what you've been doing with me so far. You just need to take care that the round beginning keeps switching from an even to an odd row, because we are repeating 5 rows, which is an odd number. Meaning that if we started with the 5th row on the right, then we would end it on the left. Sorry, I meant it starts on the left the next time. Okay, I am at the end now. I did the last treble here, and now we will just end like we started. I'll show you. We have 2 times 2 trebles, and we will do the same here. 2 trebles, a chain, 2 trebles. And again a treble and a double treble, all around the same chain section. And then we start row 7 with 6 chains. Turn and do another chain. And now we do the Y trebles here around the chains. So yarn twice over the needle and we take the thread, and then we finish it like a doubled treble. 1 chain and 1 treble here into these 2 loops. Second Y treble around the same chain. Don't forget the chain in between. And the treble. Now comes a Y treble around each chain of the last row. The middle is going to get 3, just like we did in row 2 already. And then we again continue with the Y trebles till we get to the other end. And when we get to there, we will do 2, and then we will meet at the end of our 7th row. So I'm here at the end. I have the 2 wide trebles around the last section. So now I'll do one more chain and a triple treble around the same spot, so around the chains we started with. Row 8 starts with 6 chains. Then we turn and we do 2 more chains. And now come the foot trebles again, just like in row 3. So we do yarn over the needle 3 times, and then we go around this chain here. We take the thread through and we pull it through 2 loops. There we go. Then again, yarn over and then into the first part of the wide treble. We go through and we take the thread through, and again we keep going through 2 at a time. It's going to be 5 times total. Two chains, double yarn over into the same spot, take the thread through and pull through 2 loops that are on your needle. Yarn over and into the second treble of the wide treble, through and through 2 loops, and then repeat till you finish the stitch. Now we do each wide treble with a foot treble, just like we did in row 3. I'll do this till the middle section here, and I'll show you how to do that because it might get a little bit tricky, and when we do that middle section, we will be almost done. So I'm in the middle of the 3 trebles. I did the first one with a foot treble, and now I'll do 2 chains. The following is the middle treble, so I'll do both foot trebles into the first treble and the middle. So I already have 2 yarns over the needle and I can start. Second one around the chain and then finish the treble, 2 chains and the complete foot treble around the chain from the last row, so both times go through it. Then 2 chains and the first part of the treble again around the chain, the second one through the following treble. And the middle is done, and you can continue as always. So this is going to be the 3rd wide treble from the middle, and then you can just continue in the same manner until you get to the end of the row, and then I'll show you how you can continue from there on. Okay, I am at the end of row 8. The last wide treble is done. So now we will go through the second treble of the last white treble again. Yarn over and then around the chain that follows. Two chains and a triple treble around the chain. This was row 8. Row 9 we will do just like we did with row 4. So now here we finished with the row 8 on the right side with a triple treble, and the fourth row begins on the left side. Actually, it doesn't really matter. You can just start with row 4, repeat it for the second time as you always would. So turn and then just go around the first 2 trebles and do 2 more. So just like in the fourth row, nothing is gonna change. And that's how you keep repeating these rows. And I hope you guys had fun. I hope you learned some new stitches and I hope you're gonna try them out. Feel free to let me know how you found them and if you have any others that you can suggest. Apart from that, feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more. And I hope to see you in one of my next projects. Feel free to check out my channel, and until my next video, have a great day. Bye!